should get this one. There it is. Belmont Park. So, we shall check this out and see what's in here. I've never actually been in Belmont Park, believe it or not. So it'd be very interesting. So right inside Belmont Park, now look at this old Ford F-100. Now I actually used to own one of these things when I was growing up, and I have not seen one of these in a long time. Look at that thing. So let's see what's cooking over here. What's this place? That's called the Old Time Photo. So you got little rides in here. Pretty cool, man. Never been here. The main eating area. I like that. Look at the name of that, Belmonte's Burgers. So I'm kind of like maybe right in the center of Belmont Park, and I'll kind of give you like a quick tour of what's actually here. I'm just now starting to walk around it, but check it out. So the entrance is right over there, at least where I came in at. And then you have a ride right here. That one's called the Sky Ropes. And that one looks kind of cool. Look at that thing. Woo, man. I'll come back to that one. This one is called the Shipwreck. I don't think anybody's on it though. San Diego. So I'm kind of rocking on the side here, and look at this coaster up here. Look at this. Look at that. This is where you get the ride. Another carousel. I just saw one yesterday over at Seaport Village. These are some old games right here. You actually line up here to get on the Giant Dipper, which is the roller coaster. There's the line. So, you know, obviously a Saturday it's gonna be really busy. And there's that carousel I was telling you about. And there it is, midway at Belmont Park. So, see if down this way. Gonna go around the side, maybe. So I think that's to actually get tickets. So there it is.
She's a great dog, though.
Even we have like a game room right here. Island. So check this out. This is really fun. I've never been here, but it's really cool.
Pizza's ready.
Oh, look at that thing. You got a climbing wall over there. Awesomeness. I'm gonna check that out. Very cool. Nice. You can even do the cable across. Now that is something. I didn't even know they had one of these here. It's called the rock wall. 8 tickets.
Got 222, please. Got 222.
And then you can eat right over here. Very nice. What we'll do is take a walk over into the game room over here and check that place out. It's like when I was a kid going to the carnival. I mean, really nice. Look at this. Inside the actual game room, and this is some really old school stuff here at a carnival, so this is really neat. Old time basketball. I remember this thing. Push the coins. Try to get as many as you can. So that's kind of cool, going inside that game room right there. You know, it's kind of, like I say, kind of like some really old school stuff you just don't see around anymore. So we'll check out some other areas here at Belmont. This is the main eating area, it looks like. Go down this way. Old-fashioned popcorn. Never enough of that. Right behind me, that thing is called the sky ropes, but look at it. Really popular with kids. I mean, they get up there, you get a harness on, and you just kind of balance around up there, going across these rope bridges. This is kind of like a right here at the beginning. There's the Big Dipper. Right behind the Beach Blaster. Okay, that's the name of this thing. Very cool. Very nice. So look at this thing. I just love this truck. F100. Just don't see too many of those around. So thank you very much for following along. This is the end of this video of my tour of Mission Beach Boardwalk down here by Belmont Park. Actually got to go inside Belmont Park. I didn't do any of the rides, but maybe another time. But it's really busy out today and it's really cool. And you know, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, give it a like, really helps my channel out. And this is a lasting shot of the boardwalk. That is north and swinging around, and that is south. So see you guys.